How to download Twitch on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download the Twitch application on your Android. So Twitch is a platform to stream live games or live videos. So if you want to download it on Android, you can simply head over to your Play Store and just search in for Twitch application just like this. And once you search in for that, you can simply tap on it, and for your confirmation it has over 100 million plus downloads. So simply tap on it by clicking the install button over here and wait for some time. Depending upon your internet connection, your download should go smoothly. So once it gets downloaded, you can simply tap on open button over here and head over to your sign up option, and you can just sign in with your account, and just like that you will be successfully downloaded and installed the official Twitch streaming application on your Android device. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.